Okay, you can draw anything. Sun, flowers, clouds, hearts. Ano pa yung gilid ng iba? Bahay. Okay. You can use any colors, okay? So, ano yung kulay na gusto nyo, gamitin nyo. Utilize your Tolko paints. Pwede violet, Kuya, Patrick. Okay, you can use other sizes of your brush. Okay, yung malapad, yung pointed.